guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you around my dorm room. So as you probably know, I live by myself, me and my dog, and a single. And so I'm going to be showing you around my apartment. Alright, so this is what you see when you first walk in the door. This is my kitchen. It's not a full kitchen, it's just a half kitchen. So I have a microwave and a fridge, and then I have a toaster oven. Yeah, so nothing too special there. I have this for my keys, and if you can hear that, my dog is eating her food right now. Are you eating your food? She's like, stop it, you're embarrassing me. This is my pantry, and here I have a whiteboard that I write reminders on. I have this. It's a little bestie sign. That's my dog. It goes right above her food. And then here are her toys. They're in a little bucket that says play. If you watched my tour last year, this all probably looks a lot similar because the living room is a lot similar. I have a cute rug from Target. Man, you're just trying to be the star of the video, aren't you? And I love these pillows. They're also from Target. They're like oversized pillows. They're really great for when people come over because obviously it's kind of small in here, like my living room, but I love to have people over, so when they come over and we watch movies and stuff, everyone can have their own pillow to like rest against. And I have a gallery wall. This one's new from last year. I got it at a boutique in Kansas City. And then I have my blanket, some pillows. I put these lights up this year here instead of around this door here. And then I have my little TV, my tea set, some magazines, books, my DVDs, my dog's igloo that she likes to lay in. This is like my little balcony. It's not very big. You can't really stand outside of it very much. And you really can't this year because there were some pigeons who decided to have a nest out there. They're not there anymore, but there used to be 3 of them. And if you see all that, that's like pigeon poop and grossness. So I'm waiting for someone to come clean that. My dog still goes crazy because she thinks they're still out there. They're not, Iris. And then here is my little side table. Under there I have some records and a blanket. And then over here I have this little cart. Right now it has this little unicorn that I got at the state fair. But usually I use this cart for like if I have people over, I'll put like popcorn on there and snacks. And then I'll like roll it out over here so that it's just out. But yeah, usually nothing really goes on there, but my dog kept growling at the unicorn the other day. And then here's my bedroom. This is my bathroom. Nothing to see here really, just a shower curtain. This is my room. A little different than last year. I walk in, I have this cute mirror. And then I have my shoes set up here. Those usually go in the closet, but I put my dresser in there this year, so there's not a lot of room. But I just love having this mirror here. My dog is being crazy right now. Iris. This is my lamp. You've probably seen it before. I love this lamp. It needs to be dusted really bad. This is my bed. I got a new comforter. The white one was great, and I love white comforters, but somebody kept getting her little paw prints all over it. I got this tapestry from Target, and then I still have all my pillows. I have a lot of pillows. And then over on the ledge, I have my little phone charger. I know, we're making a video, huh? And then over here, I have this little shelf. And then I have a coffee maker and just like some storage. I like to have my coffee maker in my bedroom because I can actually set it to like make coffee to wake me up. So that's really nice. And then I have my computer, which I always keep where I can see it from my bed because I can watch Netflix on there and stuff. I have 2 wax warmers, one in each room. But yeah, this is pretty much my room. I love it. It's really cozy. Honestly, really nice size for a dorm room, and I'm really lucky to have it. Aren't we, buddy? But yeah, this is my room, and if you watched my video last year, a lot of the stuff you've probably seen, but my bedroom's pretty different than it was last year. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Please comment, like, and subscribe.